Hey, it's Big Jeff, and I wasn't lying. We hit 3K subscribers on YouTube. So, right here is a Rockford P112 vented box. That's going to be the first giveaway, exclusive on YouTube. So, what you have to do is make sure you're subscribed. I need you to comment on this video your name and location and why you think you should win. And then I want you to share. If you haven't subscribed and also hit that little icon that says all, you'll miss out when we call out the winner. Again, this is our first giveaway for our YouTube package. Right there, Rockford P1 212-inch box, brand new. And guess what? Every 1,000 subscribers after that, we're gonna do another giveaway. And I'm not talking about small stuff, I'm talking about big stuff like this. Comment why you think you should win. And make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is Big Jeff Audio, and you might be getting this sent to you at your house.